You were not grown until you know how to communicate, apologize, be truthful, and accept accountability without blaming someone else. Children that are not taught accountability for their actions grow up to become adults that think nothing they do is wrong. If you want your children to keep their feet on the ground, put some responsibility on their shoulders. If you continue to defend your children's wrong behavior, one day you will pay an attorney to do the same. If you defend your children's misbehavior, one day you will hire a lawyer to defend their crimes. Discipline is not child abuse. Build your children, don't build houses for them. If you fail to build your children, they will sell the houses you built for them. Teach your daughter economic independence so that in the future she can have a partner, not a master. Teach your son to do housework so that in the future he can have a partner, not a servant. People don't have the patience to dedicate 3 years to building their own business, but they have the patience to work for others for 40 years. The three Ks of life: choices, chances, changes. You must make a choice to make a chance, or your life will never change. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9, but so does 5 plus 4. The way you do things is not always the only way to do them. Respect other people's way of thinking. In English, we say I am waiting. In poetry, we say I am learning. To love the silence between prayers and promises, the space where hope billows slowly. I will never change my responsibilities to make someone loves me. Loving me is your choice and hating me is your decision. Knowledge is power. The more you learn, the better you will be able to make decisions about the direction of your life. Depression is when you keep thinking about the past. Stress is when you constantly think about the present. And anxiety is when your mind is focused on the future. Knowledge is useless if we don't know how to use it. Anything which is more than our necessity is poison. It may be power, wealth, hunger, ego, greed, laziness, love, ambition, hate, or anything. Non-acceptance of uncertainty. If we accept that uncertainty, it becomes adventure. Non-acceptance of good in others. If we accept that good, it becomes inspiration. Non-acceptance of things which are beyond our control. If we accept, it becomes tolerance. Non-acceptance of person as he is. If we accept a person unconditionally, it becomes love. Laziness kills ambition, anger kills wisdom, fear kills dreams, ego kills growth, jealousy kills peace, doubt kills confidence. Types of people you cannot trust: liars, gossips, promise breakers, manipulators, two-faced friends, blame shifters, jealous ones, and secretive ones.